Yo, what's good, YouTube? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make $10,000 a month with faceless Instagram pages. But why should you listen to me? Why should you take my advice? I've been doing Instagram for about 10 years now. I done made my first dollar online, my first 100, my first band, my first M online with faceless Instagram pages. I done sold pages for 110K. I done built multiple pages to over 100,000 followers. So I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this. And check me out. I'm going to break this video up into two parts. I ain't going to leave nothing out. So watch this whole video. First, we're going to talk about growth, how to grow your page, all the different ways and strategies to grow your Instagram page. Next, we're going to get into monetization, all the different ways to make money from your faceless Instagram page. But before we get into it, I got to ask you a question. Do you have a phone, Wi-Fi, and willing to commit to something for the next 6 months? Let me ask you again. Do you have a phone, Wi-Fi, and willing to commit to something for the next 6 months? If your answer is yes, then watch this whole video. I got you. I'm going to break down everything that you need to know. And if your answer is no, then click off of this video right now. This video is not for you. I don't even want to waste your time. You know what I'm saying? Like, this video is not for you. If you're not willing to commit to something for the next 6 months, if you're looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, or you want money overnight, or you want to take some shortcuts, you don't want to put in no work, this video is not for you. But if you're willing to put in some work, if you got a phone, Wi-Fi, and you just got that will to succeed, then this video is for you. I got you. So for the ones that stayed, let's get right into it. First, you want to pick a niche. Now, when it comes to picking your niche, I recommend choosing something that you're actually interested in. Because check this out, right? You're going to be posting on this page for the next 6 to 12 months. And some days you might not feel like doing it. I ain't going to hold you. Some days it's going to be boring. Some days it's not going to be fun because you're not growing. You're not making no money. Like, you never know what can happen, right? But if you got a niche that you're actually interested in regardless, it's not going to feel like work. You know what I'm saying? You're going to want to keep going regardless because you're doing something that you actually like. And you're learning about something. You're posting about something that you're actually interested in. And so that's why I recommend picking a niche that you're actually interested in, because on those days where you're not making no money or your page is not growing like that, that's going to keep you going. If you pick something that you're not interested in, you're just going to quit when the times get hard. So pick a niche that you're actually interested in, whether it's sports, photography, traveling, business, motivation, something, whatever it is. I don't know what exactly you're interested in, but whatever it is, pick that niche and stick with it, because you're going to be much more dangerous if you pick a niche that you're actually interested in. You're going to grow a lot faster because you already know the niche. Like, you already know what hits, what doesn't hit, because you're a consumer of it. Most likely you already on Instagram and you're already consuming that content. So you know what you like to see. So all you got to do is put yourself on the other side of things and post what you want to see. You know what I'm saying? So next, study the top pages in that niche. Now, once you pick a niche, all you got to do is type in keywords related to your niche. So if you were in the sports niche, right? You want to just type in football, sports, basketball, NBA, playoffs, stuff like that, things related to your niche. If you're in the business niche, you can type in money, finance, crypto, stocks, investing, whatever it is, travel. You could type in different countries. You just want to type in keywords related to your niche. And then once those pages pop up, make a list of like the top 10 pages in that niche and just study what works on a page, right? So look at the top performing posts. That's exactly what you want to do, is look at the top performing posts on that page and just take note of what's working, what's not working, what posts are hitting, what are they posting about, how many times a day are they posting, and do something similar to that on your page. Of course, you're going to put your own twist on things. You're going to have your own branding and everything like that. But you don't got to reinvent the wheel. That's a big mistake I see a lot of beginners make. They try to reinvent the wheel and they try to do something completely different when you don't got to do that, especially in the beginning. All you got to do is look at the top pages in your niche, look at what they're doing, and put your own twist on it. And then over time, you're going to develop your own style and things is just going to start flowing to you. Next, start posting 2 to 4 times a day. Now that you studied the niche, you got to hop in the game. So start posting 2 to 4 times a day, no days off, especially in the beginning, because you got to realize nobody knows who you are. You got no authority yet. Nobody knows your brand. Nobody knows you, right? So in order to get people to get familiar with your brand and know who you are, know what your page is about, you got to start posting every single day. You got to stay on their mind every day. Just keep hitting them every day, every day. Even if your page is not growing, keep posting every day. And I promise you, over time, your page will start growing. You'll start getting more motion over time as long as you stick with it and don't stop. And I recommend when you're posting at least 2 to 4 times a day, at least one of them, make it a reel. You know what I'm saying? Because reels get pushed out to a lot of new people. So at least 1 or 2 posts a day, make it a reel. So post at least 2 reels a day. You know what I'm saying? The other 2, it could just be a regular feed post. It could be a carousel, shit like that. But at least 1 or 2 posts a day, make it a reel, because reels get pushed out to new people. It might be tough at first because you're a new page. Nobody knows who you are. You might not be getting that many followers at first, but over time, I promise you, if you keep posting every day, you posting good content though. You can't just be posting BS. But that's why I told you to study the niche and pick one that you're actually interested in, because you know what hits in that niche. You know what you like to see. So if you're posting content that you would want to see yourself and you know that other people want to see, over time it's going to pop off. Next, you want to do some daily stories. Now for your stories, you just want to show the behind the scenes, or you want to post exclusive content and just get to know your audience better. You can do some polls. So let's say you're in a sports niche, right? You can ask a question like, what's your favorite sports team? Or something like that. Who you think is going to win tonight's game? Just stuff like that on your story to build a stronger connection with your audience. And when you do these stories, it's going to help later on as well, because you building a stronger connection with your audience. So when it's time to sell something on your page or anything like that, you already got that connection built, and they'll be more likely to buy from you, because people buy from who they know, like, and trust. You feel me? So the stories is going to give them the behind the scenes, let them know a little more about your personality, even if you're not showing your face. I know you're not showing your face, but there's so many different ways that you could still show your personality on the page and everything like that. So daily stories as well is going to help more in the long run, and just building a stronger connection with your audience. Next, you want to boost your top performing posts. So once you start posting on your page, you're going to see some posts that start hitting, right? When that starts to happen, you want to boost those posts. And look, you don't got to spend no money. You ain't got to spend that much money. All it takes is like $5 a day. With just $5 a day, you can start seeing some growth on your page. Now, this is optional. You don't got to do this, but I recommend doing it just to help your page grow faster once you get the hang of things. Next, collab with bigger pages. Now, this is going to help your page grow a lot faster, because you're getting that brand recognition with a page they already know, like, and trust. You feel me? Like, if you get on a page with like 1 million followers, you hit them for a collab. Let's say they charge you like $50 for it, and you get that post, right? Now your brand is getting exposed to 1 million people. It might not reach 1 million people, but you get the point. You're getting on a page with 1 million followers, and they already got that authority built up. They already got that trust built up with their audience. So if they tell them to go follow you, they're going to do it, because they already got that trust built up with their audience. Why do you think all these companies be sponsoring these athletes and creators like that? It's because they want to attach themselves to something that people already know, like, and trust. It's the same thing with your brand. Like, if nobody knows who your brand is, and then all of a sudden they start seeing you on all of these big pages that they already like and trust, then they're going to start fucking with your page, especially if that page tells them to go follow you. Man, they're going to start fucking with you just off of the strength of they already like the page that posted you. You know what I'm saying? So collabs with bigger pages is definitely going to help. It might cost a little money, so this is optional as well, but it definitely can help grow your page a lot faster. Next, you can hire someone to do it for you. Now, this is if you got a little bag, right? You can hire someone to grow the page for you, and you don't got to do anything. Like, all you do is tell them what you want. Like me, for example, all my clients do is they tell me what they want on the page. They tell me the vision for the page, and I handle everything for them. Like, we handle the posting, the product sales, we handle everything. And all they got to do is sit back and make passive income. So if you want to work with me to grow your Instagram page, if you're looking for someone to grow a page for you, click the link in my description below and book a one-on-one call with me. You know what I'm saying? I'll get you right, and we can set up something. But you could also go on sites like Upwork.com or Fiverr, or if you know somebody, you can pay them to grow a page for you as well. But if you want a real professional, somebody that knows what they're doing, someone that's been in this game for 10 plus years, grown pages to over 100,000 followers multiple times, sold pages for over 6 figures. Fuck with me, I'll grow a page for you. But like I said, if you don't want to work with me, you can always go on different sites or hire someone that you know to grow a page for you as well. As long as they know what they're doing, it'll be a good investment. Next, we're going to get into monetization. For the first step to this, well, just one of the ways to monetize your page is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is just selling other people's products and getting a commission for it. Now, this is perfect for beginners because you don't need any money to start. You know what I'm saying? You can go on websites like clickbank.com, sign up for that. And if you can find products in any niche, sports, digital marketing, business, health, spirituality, whatever niche you're in, you can find some products and sell their products and get a commission for it. So a lot of times they offer like 30% to 50% commission, something like that. And like I said, it's perfect because you don't need to create your own product. All you got to do is sign up for these different sites and promote their product for them. Everything is already done. All you got to do is the marketing. But the marketing is the biggest thing that you'll learn with affiliate marketing is the marketing side of things, because this will help you later on when you want to create your own products and everything like that. And this is exactly how I made my first $1,000 online, my first $10,000 online with affiliate marketing. You don't need your own product, and it teaches you everything that you need to know to make money online. So I love affiliate marketing. It's great for beginners. If you just getting started, I recommend starting with affiliate marketing. It takes all the stress off of you of creating your own product, thinking about branding, website design, product fulfillment, all of that other stuff. You ain't got to worry about. All you got to do is market the product and sell it. You know what I'm saying? So affiliate marketing is a great way to get started with making money on your faceless Instagram page. Once you got some followers built up, and then next, you can create your own digital products. And this is if you're a little more advanced. You can create your own ebook. You can create your own courses. You can create your own challenges, things like that, and sell it on your Instagram theme page or faceless Instagram page, however you want to call it. But digital products, this is how I made the most money. Now, I got started with affiliate marketing, but I made the most money on Instagram selling my own digital products, my own ebooks and everything like that. This is where you're going to make the big money. You know what I'm saying? So you can go on websites like upwork.com and just throw up a job post, be like you're looking for an ebook writer to create an ebook on a certain topic. And a lot of people apply, look through their resumes, look through their work, and hire somebody. You know what I'm saying? That's all you got to do. Or you can create your own challenges and everything like that. I know for me, I got a 21-day digital cash flow challenge that's out right now. If you want to learn how to grow, scale, and monetize your Instagram theme page, click the link in my description below to join that challenge. I teach you everything that you need to know step by step. Like, I really can't break every single thing down in this video, but in that challenge, I break down everything. I even show, like how I told you I sold a page for 110K. I did a whole case study breaking down that page, how we sold it, what we sold on that page, everything. And I did this with a couple of my pages. So if you want to check that out, the link is in the description below. Next, promos. Now, this is probably the easiest way to make money with your faceless Instagram page. All you're doing is posting other people's content and getting paid for it. Once you get some followers, people going to start DMing you. They're going to be like, how much do you charge for promo? And it depends on how many followers you got in your niche, right? So let's say you got 100K followers, you can charge like $40 for a 24-hour post on feed. And this is the easiest way to make some money. As long as you're not posting no BS or anything like that, it's pretty much free money because you posting anyway, but you just posting somebody else's content and getting paid for it. So it's pretty simple to do. It's pretty easy. Once you get some followers, people just going to start coming to you. Next, you can do clothing. So this is another way I put up a page for y'all so I can show y'all an example. So let me go back to the page though. So this is an Instagram theme page. As you can see, they not showing their face. All they posting is quotes and motivational content, right? So if you want to be in a motivational niche, this is perfect for you, right? All you would want to do is look at their top performing posts, model after what's working for them. Like, now that we're on the page, I can give y'all a real example. So as you can see, this one did 9,600, right? But most of their posts doing like 1K, 2K, as you can see, right? But this would be a post I would take. I would put my own branding on it, put my own twist on it, and post on my page. You know what I'm saying? So Let's just scroll through another one, 12K, right? So it's looking like the average is like maybe like 2 to 5K. Anything over 5K, like this one right here, 18K, this would be a great one to post on your page if you wanted to start a motivational page, right? So just go through their page, see what's working for them, see what's hitting, and just put your own twist on their top performing post. But let's go back to the clothing, right? So as you can see, they started their own clothing brand, and let's go to shop all. So you can do some wristbands if you're in the motivational niche. As you can see, it's sold out. It got 11 reviews on it, so you know it's selling. They doing motivational quotes on their shirts, everything like that. They doing their thing with it, right? They going crazy. So that's all you got to do. If you got an Instagram, faceless Instagram page, your clothing line should be an extension of that. It shouldn't be something completely different. They got a motivational Instagram page. Their clothing brand is motivational. All they doing is taking the same posts that they post on their page and turning them into shirts. Like this one right here, they got locked the fuck in. Shit hard, you feel me? Like it's the same thing that they posting on their page. It's just a clothing brand, you know what I'm saying? So definitely recommend trying out a clothing brand if you got a motivational page or just any faceless page in general if that's what you want to do. Next, a YouTube automation channel. So a YouTube automation channel, and I'm going to get more into this in the next video. I'm going to create a whole video on YouTube automation and how to turn your Instagram page into a YouTube automation channel. But basically, you're taking the same content that you're posting on Instagram and you're creating long form videos on it. So instead of just making money on Instagram with affiliate marketing and your own digital products, you can make 10 times more just creating documentaries, faceless documentaries, and getting paid on YouTube as well. So not only is you making money from your digital products and whatever it is that you're selling, you'll be making money from ads as well. It's so powerful when you combine the two. And that's why I'm going to touch on it in the next video. I got a whole video dedicated on YouTube automation. That's coming up next. So make sure you like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on that video. But YouTube automation is the wave. It's more the long-term play. It's more the long-term money. Once you got your Instagram page built up, use that traffic to send them to your YouTube automation channel so you can make even more money. But like I said, I got a video on it coming soon. It's actually my next video coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But I hope that you got value out of this video. If you did, drop a like, drop a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for the culture. And I'm out, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.